As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at grills, and I found two interesting options. The Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Spire Premium Grill. Want to help me compare?
Sure thing. Let's dive in. First off, what are you planning to cook? And where? The Bighorn is tabletop and portable.
Portability is a plus, but I'm leaning towards something more permanent for my outdoor kitchen. So the Spire, being a built-in, seems more my style.
Okay, that makes sense. So the Spire has a much larger cooking area, 750 square inches compared to the Bighorn's 143. If you're cooking for a crowd, that's a big win for the Spire.
Definitely. I do like to host barbecues. What about the heat?
The Bighorn boasts a crazy 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner with 19,000 BTUs. The Spire has 5 10,000 BTU burners plus a 13,000 BTU rear burner, totaling 63,000 BTUs, so different kinds of heat. The Bighorn is focused, searing heat. The Spire is more about overall cooking power and even distribution, especially with that rear burner for rotisserie.
Searing is nice, but even cooking is probably more practical for everyday use. Is the Spire natural gas compatible?
Yep, it's dual fuel, so you can use natural gas or propane. The Bighorn is propane only.
Good to know. What about the build quality?
Both are stainless steel, which is great for durability. The Spire emphasizes its 304 stainless steel construction. The Bighorn also mentions rust-proof stainless steel, but doesn't specify the grade.
Okay. And ease of cleaning.
The Bighorn claims dishwasher-safe components, which is super convenient. The Spire mentions porcelain-coated cast iron grates that are non-stick and easy to clean.
Price-wise?
Big difference. The Bighorn is around $200, while the Spire is closer to $870.
Wow, that's a significant jump. I guess it comes down to prioritizing portability and searing power versus a larger cooking area and overall versatility.
Exactly. Consider what features are most important for your cooking style and budget. The Spire is a premium grill for a built-in setup, while the Bighorn is great for quick searing on the go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.